welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara, and in today's video we're going to discuss which website should you use for your business. When it comes to starting a business, there are multiple websites you can use in order to promote your business on, to sell your products, to sell your digital courses, to sell your services. So in today's video we're going to discuss what you need to do in order to determine which website is best for you. So that brings me to the first thing you need to do. Determine what type of business you are going to have. So if you already know what type of business you are going to have, that means that you know exactly what products you are going to sell. You know exactly what kind of courses or ebooks and all of that good stuff if you're going to do digital products. And you also know if you are going to be a service-based business or not. So the first thing is to determine what will your business sell to your potential customers. So those are three things to consider if you're going to sell products, if you're going to sell digital items, or if you're going to be a service-based business. So with this video, we're going to break down exactly which websites are best for product-based business, and if you guys are starting in the digital marketing, or if you're going to start as a service-based business, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll also make a part 2 and a part 3 of which websites will be best for these particular businesses as well. But for today's video, we're going to discuss which website will be best for those who are actually selling products within their website. When it comes to a product-based business, this means that you are selling a physical good that you can send directly to your customer. It doesn't matter if you're going to drop ship your products or if you're going to sell the products on your website and send them out to your actual customers yourself. Either way, if you are selling a physical product that you have to send to your potential customers and your customers, you want to determine which website is going to be best for you. Now, when it comes to different websites, you have different companies as of Wix, Shopify, BitCartel, and there are a lot of more, but today we're going to discuss the difference between BitCartel, Shopify, and Wix. So the first company we're going to discuss is Wix. Wix is one of the most popular websites that people know of, because with Wix, people say that it's very easy to make your website without having to have coding, without having to pay anyone to make the website for you, and all of that good stuff. So with Wix, Wix does allow you to start your website with them for free if you just need a website platform that allows you to host everything about your company. For someone who wants to just have a hosting website where it just tells about your business, or if it tells about your services and all of that good stuff, Wix offer a free hosting website for you so that you're able to show off and broadcast what it is that you do or what type of service you offer to your potential clients. So just say, for instance, if you are someone who does speaking engagements, you can host your website on Wix for free to show and broadcast what it is you do, what type of speaking engagements you have, and you can allow them to book with you for free, but they're not able to pay you if you're trying to send them an invoice underneath that free version. With Wix, they do offer different pricing for the website hosting depending on what is best for your business. So for the basic plan with Wix, you're looking at $27 a month. Then you have the business unlimited plan for Wix, and that's going to bring you to $32 per month in order for you to accept payments, in order for you to host your website and sell different products within your company. And the difference between the basic plan and the business unlimited plan is, with the basic plan, you're not able to have as much storage or hosting for videos on your platform. With the unlimited plan, it gives you more space space in order for you to host more within your company. So for someone who needs to have video hosting and you need that storage, you're going to want to go with the $32 plan in order for you to present what it is you need to get out to your potential customers and your customers. The second company we're going to discuss is Big Cartel. Big Cartel also offers a free web hosting for your business as long as you only have 5 products or less. With Big Cartel, for someone who is just starting out and you want to begin testing multiple products, Big Cartel will be best for you, because with Big Cartel you're able to put 5 products on your website and it is absolutely free to you, and you can also still accept payments on your website without having to pay Big Cartel anything. Now if you have more than 5 products that you're going to host on your website, Big Cartel also offers a paid plan for $9.99 a month, and you're able to put up to 50 products on your website, and it's only $10 a month. So that is absolutely good for someone who has 50 products. Now they offer a third paid plan, which is going to be $19.99 a month. But with this plan, this is for someone who wants to host up to 500 products. And I don't think no business that is just starting out will host up to $500 starting out. But if you decide that you want to go that route and you have up to that amount of products, over the 50 products, then they do offer the $19.99 a month for the 500 products. Now the third company we're going to discuss is Shopify. Shopify is one of the biggest e-commerce web hosting websites ever. A lot of big companies use Shopify. A lot of small companies starting out use Shopify, and I absolutely love Shopify myself. All of my businesses that I have been held on Shopify, so I absolutely love Shopify because it has a lot of different features within it itself. With Shopify, you're able to get started with a 14-day free trial, and that's going to give you 14 days to test out the products, to get your website up and running and see exactly if this website is for you. Once you have went through your trial period of 14 days with Shopify, Shopify then will charge you $29 a month as the small base business in order for you to keep your website with Shopify. Now as your business begins to expand, they do offer bigger pricing, but for the most part you will only need that $29 business plan in order for you to host your products. Now the good thing that I like about Shopify is made specifically for e-commerce businesses. So with an e-commerce business, this is someone who is selling physical products. Now in the inside of Shopify, once you have started with Shopify, Shopify have different apps that you can connect to your actual store in order for you to have everything all in one back end of your store. So what that means is, for instance, when you're on people websites and you see that they offer maybe payment plans, their website may be hosted by Shopify. So with Shopify, you're able to get Afterpay, you're able to get Sezzle, you're able to get different companies within your website as an app in the back end in order for you to offer payment plans for your customers. Another good thing is, if you want to do marketing to your customers or your potential customers, Shopify allows you to accept those emails and have an email list within your app so that you can start sending out emails, so you can market your business to your potential customers as well as your customers who have already purchased something from you. Another good feature about Shopify is you're able to plug in those different apps that you may need in order for you to print your shipping labels with the post office, for you to be able to go ahead and do everything you need to do at home on your computer without even having to get out in public in order for you to ship to your customers. So with Shopify, I can go on and on and on about them because I absolutely love them. They have a lot of different features for you to go ahead and plug in to your store so that everything will be hosted on the back end of your store in order to grow your company. So my choice would be Shopify if you are someone who is a product-based business. Although Wix gives you a free website, you're not able to accept those payments. As well as with BitCartel, you're able to go ahead and get started for free with them if you have up to 5 products. So what I would recommend you do is, if you are just now starting your business and you want to test a few of your products, go ahead and start with BitCartel in the beginning so that you're able to accept those payments with up to 5 products for free without having to pay for a hosting with BitCartel. So if you know that you want to just try out multiple products, use BitCartel to test out one product at a time so that you're able to drive traffic to that store. And if it doesn't work for you, you can close that store, create a new store, and name it something different in order for you to try the next product and so forth. But if you know your business specific niche and you know exactly what you're going to sell to your audience, I would suggest that you go with Shopify, because again, Shopify is a great e-commerce store. And another good feature about Shopify, before I forget to tell you guys this, is once you begin accepting payments in your Shopify store, Shopify will also give you a loan in your company so that you can still have more money to use for you to get products or use it however you would like. With Shopify, when they offer this to you, the way Shopify will make their money is they will take out a percentage of your sales per sale that you get. So this is a good thing for someone who's looking to get a loan within their business name without even having to do any paperwork or without having to have your personal credit pulled. They will base your loan on how much money your store is making. So once you begin to drive traffic to your store and you begin to see consistent sales, Shopify will send you something in your store that's going to tell you you qualify for a loan, and then you're able to apply directly on the website. So that is another good thing that I love about Shopify, that you're able to build your business as well as get loans in order for you to invest back into your business. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you want part 2 and part 3 of if you have a digital business or if you have a service-based business, which website would be best for those particular companies. So again, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. On this channel, I teach you guys everything you need to know to start, grow, and fund your business so that you can be able to become a full-time business owner and live a life that you deserve to live. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.